How to fix URI up-to-date, your device is missing important security updates in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. This built-in tool can detect and resolve common update issues, potentially fixing the mismatch between the up-to-date message and missing security updates. Sometimes Windows Update needs a nudge to refresh its status and fetch missing patches, bypassing the conflicting messages. Fix 3. Check the services. Some services, such as Windows Update and bits, could prevent the update if they are not in a working order. A deeper reset of update services can fix persistent issues by clearing all related processes and starting anew. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Low storage can block update installations, leaving security patches unapplied despite the up-to-date claim. Freeing space can help.